Our top story, a scare was triggered at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport shortly after 1 this morning after a sound similar to those of gunshots was heard by CISF personnel deployed near the control room. Soon after, all entry and exit points to the airport were blocked and every vehicle coming in and getting out was checked. On arrival side of the terminal, a Qualis car, we're told that it's a white Qualis car, did not stop in front of the barricade and sped past it. But importantly, nobody from inside the vehicle fired at anyone. Now, this is the information that we have got from DIG CISF Udayan Banerjee. When the vehicle sped away, the quick reaction team of the CISF chased that Qualis on a gypsy but could not keep pace with the speeding vehicle. There are no eyewitnesses to the actual firing, if any at all at this point. The car managed to flee. It's not clear just how many men were in that white Qualis. More details hopefully will emerge during the day on what exactly took place there at the airport. This is the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi where this scare took place. Like we've been mentioning, at the airport, immediately the flight operations were halted for over 40 minutes. But the commandos have been at the airport through the day. We can recall that there has been a terror alert that was sounded at the airports across the country on Thursday, and the security has been really tight at all airports across the country. So at this point in time, it is really important to stress again and again that there is no need to panic. Things are absolutely under control right now at the airport. All operations have resumed. The flights are taking off and landing normally now, though in some cases there may have been a bit of a delay.
There two sounds were heard by our people deployed in the city side, which appeared to them as gunshots. So based upon this information, the procedure for intensifying our checking in the city side was immediately put in place. So all the incoming vehicle to the terminal at our nakas was stopped, and the vehicle which was already in the terminal building, they were being searched, checked and then allowed to go out. So in that process there was a halt of incoming and outgoing passengers from the terminal city side in their vehicles. The halting time would be around say 35 to 40 minutes. So, but no eyewitness to any gunshot, no rounds being recovered in the combing operation done by us and Delhi police, and passenger flow in the terminal in and out is normal. No such incidents of any injury. Everything is normal.
So what exactly took place at that Indira Gandhi International Airport? We can now go across to our correspondent, Sandeep Phukan. Good morning, Sandeep. You've been tracking developments now since this news first broke. Now, this has not yet been called a terror attack. What are they describing this incident at, the security agencies there?
Very good morning to you, Manu, and to all our viewers. Yes, indeed, you heard the DIG CISF saying that everything is normal now. The important thing to note here and to sort of stress again and again that this is not yet been called as a terror attack. The update that I have is that, as you pointed out, that gunshots were heard and immediately an alert was sounded. Then when vehicles were being checked, one Qualis vehicle did not stop when it was asked to be stopped. It sped past that barricade, but importantly, there was no one from that Qualis fired at the CISF. They just sped past that. The Qualis just sped past the barricade. Soon after that, a gypsy was sent after that Qualis, but the CISF DIG told me that the gypsy could not keep pace with the speed of the Qualis, and this Qualis sort of made good its escape. They are now on to sort of search this vehicle. The flashes have been sent to Delhi police and also Haryana police. As you know, that Gurgaon is barely a couple of kilometers away from the international side of Delhi airport. So messages have been sent out to both the Delhi police and the Haryana police to track this vehicle. But as of now, it's only a scare. I'm afraid, I mean, there's not even any clarity as to whether actually any gunshots were fired, because importantly, there was no fired rounds found, or there were no cartridges, no, empty bullet shells found here. Manu.
Right. Just to quickly reiterate and understand correctly, Sandeep, that there are no eyewitnesses at all. These are just gunshots which have been just heard. And is there a possibility that there may not have been any firing at all?
That's very much a possibility, Manu. Now it appears that absolutely no one has seen any shot being fired. Two CISF personnel heard gunshots. In fact, earlier the CISF DIG told me, Udayan Banerjee told me that, it could have been a pistol or a carbine. But, when they actually searched the area, the possible area where a gunshot may have gone off, they did not find any fired rounds. That's important. There is no physical evidence of any fired round on the ground. If it was, if it had hit a wall or a vehicle, there would have been damage. There has been no damage. No one has been hurt. All that they heard was a sound. And, soon after that, when vehicles were being checked, what raised suspicion was the fact that a police vehicle did not stop and sped away. These are the two sort of suspicious things that happened, but no physical evidence of a bullet being found or bullet marks being found. Manu.
Right. Also, very quickly, Sandeep, you've been there at the airport for a long time now. We've been mentioning that operations have resumed and things are now absolutely back to normal at the airport.
That's right. Operations have resumed. Of course, there has been some delay. As you heard this DIG say that, they had stopped operations for 40 minutes. So there is a backlog of delay, but there is a sense of, there is a sense that things are under control. You heard him say that everything is normal. I just want to reiterate to all our viewers who may be taking a flight, report early to the airport, but there is absolutely no need to scare or panic at this point in time. Manu.
Right. Sandeep Phukan, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. A quick recap for our viewers.